Barangay Limon, a humble yet vibrant community in the heart of Butuan City. With a little over 2,000 residents, it may seem quiet, but every family, every corner, and every story adds to the heart of this place we call home. Blessed with rich agricultural land, Limon is known for its wide rice fields and hardworking farmers. The land feeds us, sustains us, and connects us to generation of tradition. Being flood-prone has tested our community many times, but Limon has never bowed to hardship. Together, we rise above the waters, stronger each time, and guided by unity and the spirit of Bayanihan. Our churches stand out at the center of our community, places where people gather, pray, and find strength. Through celebrations, challenges, and everyday life, faith has always brought the people of Limon closer together. Our children grow in an environment filled with care and community values. Their smiles reflect the hope of Limon's future, a future built on strength, culture, and compassion. This is Barangay Limon, a place strengthened by resilience, enriched by agriculture, guided by faith, and made beautiful by its people. We may be small, but our heart is strong, and our story continues.